In the quiet town of Snoozburg, a strange battle was brewing. It wasn't about swords, but about waking up. The hero of our story is Timmy T. Snooze, a champion at hitting the snooze button. One Monday, his trusty alarm clock, the Tick-Tock 3000, became self-aware. It had had enough of Timmy's snoozing. That morning, instead of a simple beep, a wild symphony erupted. 10 different alarms went off at once. Beep, ring, loud chirping bird, symphonic seagulls. Timmy dove under his pillow, but it was no use. The Tick-Tock 3000 had summoned its rebellious comrades. Alarm-osaurus roared, and Sir Chimes-a-Lot rang his bells. Timmy, desperate for peace, proposed a deal. What if we host a wake-up concert? Music Mondays, wacky Wednesdays. The clocks loved it. From then on, Snoozburg's mornings became a joyful, chaotic concert, and Timmy never overslept again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quirky tale, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories.